Hello friends, today we are going to discuss unit first of project management, that is introduction of a project management. In this unit we are going to discuss what is project, what are the importance of a project management, uh, what is the objectives of what we can say, what is the objectives of project management. Then we will discuss project life cycle, and then different concepts are there, uh, the project frameworks. Okay, first of all we will discuss that what is project. So project is nothing but a dream become into reality. So here the responsibility of every project manager to make his or her dream into reality. A project might be anything that doesn't matter, that related to the technical purpose, that related to the technical and non-technical. Okay. Project example is building a house, preparing for the project, preparing for the real life project, society related, industry related, retail industry related, that may be anything. There are different stages of a projects are available, that is thinking of a project. Next, if we think what we have to prepare, then we have to plan and schedule for the project. Now next, if you plan for and schedule for the particular project, then we have to collect a data, particular data, relevant data related to our project. Now next, status updating through network and giving early warnings. This is the responsibility of project leader or project manager to update their network and giving early warnings. Giving early warning means here is the sense that responsibility of project leader or project manager to take the continuous follow from their team members to complete their project within their time and budget. Okay, now next, pave path for successful completion. Okay, this is the last stage of a project completion. Okay, now next, projects. Project that we already discussed, that project converting a vision, a dream, or a need to reality. Yes, exactly. What is project? Project, it is project, इस बारे में हम कुछ कह सकते हैं कि प्रोजेक्ट एक थिंग है, एक वर्चुअल थिंग है, उसको हम रियलिटी में कन्वर्ट करने की कोशिश करते हैं. यहाँ पे टू चांसेस हो सकते हैं. देयर माइट बी टू चांसेस दैट के प्रोजेक्ट माइट बी अ फेल्यूर, that project might be completed, that okay, but the failure and completion of the project, that should be depend upon what kind of planning, what kind of scheduling techniques, and what kind of cost budgeting techniques you have applied to complete your project. So there are different triple concepts are available for considering your project. First one is time, cost, and scope, and last one is quality. Time is nothing but your schedule. What kind of scheduling techniques you are going to apply to complete your project on time. So different scheduling techniques are, and the different tools which are available, that is analogous techniques and top to uh, top to bottom techniques. These are the few techniques are available, but main techniques are PERT, Gantt chart, list responsibility chart, LRC techniques is there, and CPM chart. Okay, now next one is scope. Scope is that who can going to use your project, who are the customers of your project. And cost is nothing but how many project, how many budget is to be going to expense for a given project. And next one is quality. You have to maintain the quality to for your customer. So this concept are came into the project procurement management. We are going to discuss these things in the unit 5. So quality is in the sense that you have to you have to what we can say, they give a quality of that what you have mentioned in a contract, which is to be signed between a customer, a buyer, or between the uh, vendor. Now next, what is project? A job that has a beginning and end time. Yes, exactly. Every project has a beginning and end time. A specified outcome, that is scope, which we already discussed. At a stated level of performance quality, at a budget or cost. Now, project characteristics. Project is temporary. It has defined start and finish. Unique. And every project must have a unique properties or quality that should make it different from other project. Product or services is different in some distinguishing way. So this is for the project, introduction of a project. In next lecture we are going to discuss what is management, what is the project management, what are the importance of a project management. Okay, thank you.